So you say you've had your vehicle repaired at another shop, maybe in town locally or from another state. First thing you want to do is give that shop the opportunity to make it right by you. So give them a call, have a conversation with them, schedule a vehicle back in, have them do a reinspection, see if there's something that they perhaps missed. When it gets into some of these higher severity damages, a hard hit, perhaps there is something else going on they simply missed or showed up after the fact. So always give that shop the opportunity to take a look at it first. If not, then you'll want to get a hold of your insurance agent who will walk you through the process of finding another shop that can have a second look at that for you to see if something else needs to be taken care of. Just remember, always give that first shop the opportunity to make it right by you.